What's going on, guys? So in the last video I talked a little bit about some parts going to be done on this car, the 6-element tune with some new spark plugs. So those parts did come in the mail today. So we're just going to open the box, check it out. This came all the way from 6-element in, looks like South Carolina. Pretty cool. I'm in California, so it came all the way across the country here. Got the wonderful packing peanuts. With ECU here. Looks like some paperwork, some cool 6-element goodies. And the spark plugs, all 4 spark plugs. So that's really it. Gonna be a pretty easy install. Really just swapping those spark plugs out, these 4, and then we're gonna be throwing the ECU in there, doing some tests. Gotta let the car learn the ECU before we can take it on the street, and then we should be good to go. So in the next video, I'll show you guys the install of that. It should be relatively simple. Thanks for watching.